Hey, good morning. My name is Ikena Victor Agina. In this presentation, I want to show you exactly how you can make money from the Ultima Market broker website. There are basically two ways to do that. And if you are somebody out there, you're looking for an alternative way to make money, you want to supplement what you're already doing, whether you are working a 9 to 5, you are a business person, or you just don't have anything that you're doing that is sustainable at the moment. This video was created for you. Stay with me. In the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through the Ultima Market platform so that you can see exactly how you can start taking opportunity of this amazing website. So the first thing you need to do is to create an account. You can see I'm already logged into my account. This is my name, Ikena Agena. And first thing you need to do, I'm going to drop this link. You see this link, it's very, very important because when you sign up with this link, I will guide you through the steps that you will take to make the best of this platform, this website. All right. To copy the link, I'm going to drop this in somewhere in the description area for you to copy. So when you copy this link, it's pretty straightforward. You copy it, you go to, let me open another browser. So just basic stuff, all right. When it loads up, you're going to be shown a form. Network is pretty bad. So it's just a simple form. All right. You choose your country, your email. You request for verification by clicking on this request code. It sends you a code to your email, and then you come back and plug it in your password and referred by. Since you're already using my link, it's there. I'm going to also drop the ID in the comment section. Very, very, very important. Somewhere in the description area. All right. So once you're done with that, you just come back to the Ultima platform. All right. So I want to quickly walk you through in another video. I'll show you exactly how to fund your account and how to copy trade. But in this video, I just want to show you the opportunities, what you stand to get by using this broker, whether you're a forex trader, you're a professional, or somebody who's just looking out to copy trade, or you have basic knowledge about forex, you're scared of getting burned. Don't worry, I'm going to explain all that to you. So the first group of people I want to start with are those people that have money. Yeah, sorry, I'm coming back to the other key that category of people. So those people that have money, I know a lot of people have money and they are looking for where to put that money. That's the reason why we have a huge wave of Ponzi schemes. I see these websites every day. I see people sending me links, people sending me, and when I open the link and you just find out that it is the same portal that they're using. So from experience that this is a Ponzi scheme. All right. So I don't want you to spend that money on something that is not valuable, that you won't get value for your money. I don't want you to spend your money on a robbing Peter to pay Paul scheme. All right. So here we are going to be trading financial markets, foreign exchange, you trade gold and all that. But if you don't have any experience, don't worry. You don't need to learn what a candlestick is. You don't even need it. All right. So now, if you have money, right, first thing you need to do, go here, you click on this link, and then you sign up. So after you sign up, you get the video on how to fund your account. Now when you fund your account, you simply do one simple thing. All right, this is my rebate account. What this means is I earn some commissions, some rebates when people who are referred trade on the platform. So now let's go to the client area, because this is for anybody who has money, who wants to invest, who wants to trade forex without trading forex. All right, so you come to the client area. Now on this client area, that's what we call copy trading. All right, now copy trading is just a simple terminology where you look for a trader on the Ultima Market platform. There are several traders, there are lots of traders that have been, most of them have been doing very well. So you look for these traders by coming to copy trading. And once you're logged into the client area, remember, when you log in, you have this, the client area. You only have an IB when your account has been migrated to become an IB. You have to apply for that. I'm coming to that later. So you come to this place, and then when you click on discover, on this area, you find the different traders on the network. All right. So you see there are different guys. So you see this guy Golf Breakout. You can click on his profile, and then you see his trades. Okay, so you see his trades. You see he's done it for 1.13 percent returns, profit sharing 30%, risk is 2. So you can go through the platform, the copy area, see the traders, and you see the breakdown of their accounts and what they have been doing, and if they're profitable. All right, so we'll come back to this. I just wanted to show you, how to get a trader. We have two traders that we're working with, and believe me, they've been giving us amazing results. Now, let me show you. You come to here, Copia. If you want to become a signal provider, I'm going to come to this later for people who are professionals in trading. You can do this. So let's just go to the copier area. All right. So on the copier area, you're going to see traders that you are already copying, right? So you come here, and then um you can see you're at the two traders I told you about. We are copying, right? You can see the P&L here means profit and loss, all right? P&L. Well, I just started with this project X. The funny thing is that I used the profit from this guy to fund this account. So you can see we credited like $260 dollars from here to here, and we're trading to make more profit. So this guy has done over first I'm going to show you a video of that on my channel. So be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. So we drew 200 and some 200 and we withdrew 200 and 200 and 250 or thereabouts. All right. So from this guy, so we drew part of our more than almost half of the money that the account was funded with. This account was funded with $800, but what appeared on screen was $759. All right. So um so sorry about that break. Here you can see. So this system is not just telling you that the traders don't lose, all right? Like I told you, P and L means profit and loss all together. So when your profit is more than your losses, and then you know that you are in profit, right? So you can see these small figures. You can see some of them are green, see some of them are red. You see that. So the accumulation at the end of the day, when he's finished trading, you find out that he made more profit than losses. So that is exactly what counts. All right. So you see here I have a balance of 763. This is the bonus account. So when I funded here, when we funded this account, we had 795 here, and we had about 500. They're supposed to give me 100%. I don't know what happened. We are still talking to the admin about that. So now we withdrew one, and we used the other funds to um fund, or to copy another trader. You understand? So you see almost my funds is still here intact, right? Almost 795 is still here intact. Why I've withdrawn once, and I've used another 200 and something to credit. So almost 400 and something has been taken out of the system, and my money is still intact on the system. All right. So so when you come here, this is just a breakdown of the trader that we're copying, right? This is project. We just started this one, and you see in less than 48 hours he has done 12.21. All right. So now if you have money, what you need to do is you create this account, and then I'll guide you on how to um fund the account, and then how to start copy trading. So it's very simple. You just go to whoever it is that you want to copy, and you just start copying that person. Set up your parameters, set up your stop loss, and you just start copying that person. Say for example, we want to copy this guy. He's already telling you copy. Want to copy golf breakout. Okay, so his win rate is 80.32. This one has 80.6. This one has 64.7. So you can see all this. You can see all this thing, all these details here. So you click on copy. All right. So if you want to copy this guy, you come down. How much do you want to, how much do you want to use to copy this guy? All right. So you see, available investment is because there's no money in that same account. There's no money in the account that is attached to this. You can actually create different accounts on the Ultima Market platform. You can have different accounts, and you can choose which of your accounts you want to use to fund. All right. So yeah, you set up your stop loss 50. Nothing much, nothing technical. I'll guide you through. Once you've created an account, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Then the next category of people I want to talk about. Now, before I go to that category of people, I want to say, if you we have I showed you two different copiers, two different guys, traders that we are copying. So with this guy, the minimum is $300, and with this guy the minimum is $100. All right, minimum trading is $100, minimum is $300. So you can do $100, $300, $500, $1,000, $10,000, as much as you can. But as far as I've seen, we're already getting close to the point where we'll say we've gotten all our monies invested back, and we're still going to put in more money into the system. All right. So now you come to this. Um, that's for people who have money to trade. Now, if you don't, so another group of people that I want to talk about is those people who you have money and you want to also make money as an IB. All right. What's the meaning of an IB? An IB is, it means an independent business person. All right. So as an IB, you can share your link with people who also want to trade for it, forex, who wants to copy trade. Sorry. All right. So now this is the IB account. You can see I have both the client and both the IB. But when you sign up, you're not going to see this. All right. You're going to have to give me your UID. Okay. You give me your UID, and then I'll send it to my team lead, and you will get enrolled as an IB. All right. Now, as an IB, you will make money from what we call rebates. Okay. Now, rebate is what they give you, what they pay to you whenever somebody trades on the platform, the person who you introduce into the system, right? So this is my rebate dashboard. Okay, you can see I have $6. All right, before now I'd withdrawn, I think about, I added it to my copy trading account. So let's see my transaction history. um from Let's go from July. Children Bank. So let's see. We had, so this is how it adds up. All right. Let's see time range. I'm gonna take this back to. Okay. Let's just say from. There's no range. See from July 1 to 15. Okay, so you can see, these are rebates from trades, going into my account. So you earn a rebate when somebody that you brought into the system trades. And the trades go on from Monday to Friday. So this is like they don't give like referral commission. They don't give referral commission, but you're paid every time the person makes a trade on that account. So if the person copies one of the traders that we recommend, it means he's making a trade every single day. And every single day depends on how much he's trading with. You're going to be making money off that person. So imagine you have 10 people, imagine you have 15 people, imagine you have 20 people that you brought in and they are trading every day. So you make that money every day. So it's not like they just give you like a one-off referral commission. No, they give you money when your clients trade every day. So how sweet can that be? So if you are somebody who maybe you don't have the $100 to get started with, all right, you know you don't have $100 to trade and you want to trade, you can actually take advantage of this opportunity to make money for yourself, and then you can now use that money to start your own trading journey. But if you have money already, this is another way that you can make money from the system. So you're trading, your account is trading, by copying a trader, and then while you're making money from there, you're also making money from rebates. Okay, so that's like multiple streams on the income. And the sweet thing is that you can build a team around this. So if you also sign up people who apply to become rebates, you also get paid when their traders are trading. So you can do this up to 10 levels deep, right? I want you to open your eyes, your ears to the possibilities of how much you can make from this from this broker. All right, so um yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, I've mentioned those with big funds who want to put money into the system, and those who also have funds and want to earn on the side too, apart from what their money is generating for them every day. You can become both, have both a client account just like I have, and a rebate account. So you can earn money on both ways. You can see they have IB reports, they have multi-level IB reports. So this is me, and this is, these are the accounts, that I've, signed up to become um IBs under my account. So if this person brings people that trade, this person brings, they're going to make money. I'm going to make money as well. So these are the ways that you can start making money from the Ultima Market platform. And if you are interested in signing up, send a message. I'm going to drop a WhatsApp number at the description area, or and then also the link to sign up. So once you sign up, you send a message to that WhatsApp number, and I'm going to guide you through on how to fund your account and how to get started. I'll be posting videos on how to fund your account. Perhaps when else I want to fund, or when somebody wants to fund. It's not rocket science. It's not a big deal. All right, it's not a big deal. When you want to fund the account, you fund from the client area. You Okay, I've been logged out. So in another video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fund your account. But we have recorded videos already in our community. Um, Sign up, send the message, and let's onboard you. I'll see you in the next video.